Things you should know before starting a Zalando Marketplace business in 2024. Zalando is a leading online fashion platform in Europe, offering a marketplace for third-party sellers to sell their products to millions of customers. Key requirements. 1. Company registration. You need to register your company in the EU, excluding Germany, and obtain a valid VAT ID. 2. Product requirements. Ensure your products meet Zalando's product requirements, including product categorization, product description, and high-quality images. 3. Logistics. Partner with a reliable logistics provider to ensure timely and efficient shipping to customers. 4. Payment and refund. Set up a payment system that can handle refunds and payouts. 5. Marketing and advertising. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your products and brand on the Zalando platform. Challenges. 1. High competition. Zalando is a popular platform, so be prepared for intense competition. 2. Returns and refunds. Zalando has a strict return policy, which can lead to costs and potential losses. 3. Inventory management. Accurately manage your inventory levels to avoid stockouts and overstocking. 4. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to maintain a positive reputation and resolve any issues promptly. Opportunities. 1. Large customer base. Leverage Zalando's vast customer base to increase your sales and visibility. 2. Convenient payment options. Offer customers convenient payment options, including PayPal and credit cards. 3. Diversified product range. Sell a variety of products across multiple categories to cater to diverse customer demands. Tips for success. 1. Research and planning. Thoroughly research Zalando's policies, terms, and requirements before starting your business. 2. High-quality products. Offer high-quality products that meet customer expectations and Zalando's standards. 3. Effective communication. Maintain open communication with Zalando's customer support team and resolve any issues promptly. 4. Continuous improvement. Continuously monitor and improve your business operations, including logistics, marketing, and customer service.